Hi guys, I'm going to make this card levitate, okay? So first I'll do performance, then I'll do the tutorial. Okay. Okay, now the tutorial. So first of all, obviously it's not really levitating. You can use a pen or a pencil, and you have to tape it back to the back of the card. And so when you do it, so once you do that, you're going to have it in between your thumb and your pointer finger. Alright, and have it far away. It works better because a lot of times the levitations are because they're holding on to something with the card. But since it's far away, they wonder what it could be. Okay, so yeah, you have to have it there, and you just do this. But when you first come out, don't come out like this, because they're going to know that there's something there. So come out as if you're holding the card. And kind of like keep doing this. And then you go. And you just hold it in between like this. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.